Turkish President Erdogan has said that Turkey will not bow to threats that blackmailing our Eastern Mediterranean. International Civil Aviation Day being observed across the globe today. Prime Minister Imran Khan has emphasized on collective responsibility of the society to fight against the menace of narcotics. China Foreign Minister has said that it is up to the United States to make the correct decision on future relations. Iran prepares to raise oil export if sanctions eased. UN chief described fight against climate crisis as top priority for 21st century. In Afghanistan, 5 Afghan army soldiers have been killed and 4 others wounded in a Taliban attack in Kunduz province. In India, opposition parties assure full support to farmers in protest against unjust new agriculture laws.